What if I put your what if I put your toys in the cage? Huh? Where's Seamus? Angus, I mean. There he is. Look at all these kids. Oh, it's like harmonized squeaking. How much you want to bet Seamus goes for the rat since it's the newer toy? No, maybe he'll go the... Nope, he does. He took the rat. Uh-oh. Angus is going to steal it right out from under you, Bitsy. Nope, Bitsy got it. Back under the bed, where everything goes. Oh. How about a rubber... There's a rubber chicken here, too. Such a greedy boy, isn't he? They're such goofy pets.